Next is a class on the Srimad Bhagavatam, 7th Canto, 9th Chapter, text number 4, given by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on February 18th, 1977, in Mayapur, India.
Tatedi Sanatirajan Mahabhagavatorthaka Upetya Bhuvikayena Nanama Viditanya. So, Prahlad Maharaj is Mahabhagavad, not ordinary devotee. Arvaka means innocent child, 5 years old, small boy, but Mahabhagavad. Not that because he is boy, ahitukiya pratihata, a small child can become Mahabhagavata, and a very learned scholar may become a demon. Bhakti is so exalted that these are contradictory. Arvaka means foolish or childish, but at the same time Mahabhagavata, which is first. Mahabhagavata means we must distinguish between different types of devotees. Kanishtadhikari, Madhyamadhikari and Mahabhagavata, Uttamadhikari. Now this Prahlad Maharaj is Mahabhagavat, not because he is now 5 years old, no. He was Mahabhagavatam from the Umbha. When his mother was attacked by the demigods, arresting, and was being dragged by the devatas, Narad Muni was passing there. What you are doing? She is the wife of Hiranyakashipu, and she has got a child and at home, so we want to kill that child also. Narad Muni immediately asked him, no. This is not ordinary child. He is Mahabhagavata. Don't touch. So they agreed. Narad Muni, this is Devata. Although did some mistake, as soon as Narad Muni ordered them, that don't try to harm, he is Mahabhagavata. Immediately. So Narad Muni said, my dear daughter, you come with me until your husband comes back. Hiranyakashipu went to perform very severe austerities to defeat the demigods. This is demon's austerity. Hiranyakashipu was engaged in very severe type of austerity. What is the purpose? The material purpose. But that type of austerity, tapasya, is useless. Samayeva hi kevalam. The materialists, they take austerities, unless they do that, they cannot improve either in the business field or in economic field or in political field. They have to work very, very hard. Just like in our country, the great leaders, Mahatma Gandhi, he had to work very, very hard. 20 years in Durban, he spoiled his time, and 30 years in India, I shall say, spoiled his time. What for? For some political purpose. What is his political purpose? Now we are a group called by the name Indian. We must drive away the Englishmen and take the Supreme. This is what. So, this is unnamed. What is this part? Today you are Indian, tomorrow you may be something else. Tatha dehantara prapti. You have to change your body. So, what is the next body? Are you going to be again Indian? No guarantee. Even if you have got very much affection for India, all right, according to your karma, you will get body. If you get the Indian body of a tree, then you will stand up for 5,000 years. What is the benefit? Krishna says, Tatha dehantara prapti. He does not say that a human being is going to be again a human being. There is no guarantee. Some rascals they say that once getting this human body, he does not degrade. No, that is not the fact. Right. The fact is that out of 8,400,000 of different species of life, according to your karma, you will get a body. No guarantee that you are. And even if you get Indian body, who cares for you? So, without Krishna consciousness, whatever austerities, penances we perform, it is simply useless waste of time. You should know. Simply waste of time. Because you have to change your body, everything will be changed. You have come naked, you have to go naked. You cannot give. Mittu sarva harastra ham. Sarva harastra. Whatever you have acquired, everything will be taken away. Mittu, that's why Hiranyakashipu, whatever he has acquired, Prahlad Maharaj said, in a second you took it. So, my Lord, why you are offering me this material benediction? What is the value of it? I have seen my father simply by his eyebrows twinkling, the demigods would be afraid. Such position, you have finished in a second. What is the use of this material body? Therefore, those who are pure devotees, they do not aspire anything material. That is not there. Anna vilasita sunnam. Jnana karmadhanavritam anukullena krishnanushilanam bhakti yuttva. You should always remember that. Don't bring any material desire in executing devotional service. Then it is not pure. Nasadhu manne jatmatmano yang asannapi klesha. As soon as you bring material desire, then you have wasted your time.